change pin code in Messenger. So changing pin code in Messenger might be because you have locked your application of Messenger. When you try opening the Messenger app, you need to verify with fingerprint or use privacy password. That means we have locked our app. So in order to change the pin code, you can go to settings, and here you need to select for privacy. Then on the privacy you need to select, and here you need to select for app lock. You need to verify with fingerprint, and next to all select locked, and as you can see that we have locked our Messenger. So in order to change our pin code and make it more easier, you can simply select password and security and select privacy password, and you need to enter the privacy password. And then once you get access to this page, you can select change password option and easily change the pin code for Messenger as well. So changing your privacy password means automatically changing the pin code in Messenger as well. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it and hit the notification bell for more updates.